Hi everyone, I wanted to take a quick minute to tell you about our latest offering at Premier. It's one you guys have been asking about for a long time. Our team has fielded a lot of requests about these. Our full complete hive kit is now available in wax dipped. From top to bottom, everything you need in a hive kit is going to come delivered to your door, assembled and wax dipped for long-lasting protection. You guys have been loving our Endurahive wax dipped hive bodies and supers for a long time, and now you're going to get everything you need for the kit, including a telescoping lid and a bottom board. Now, an important word, not all wax dipped equipment is created equal. A lot of the wax dipped or wax coated products on the market just have a thin layer of wax on the surface, and it wears off after minimal time in the yard. With our wax dipped equipment, the microcrystalline wax fully saturates the fibers of the wood, preventing rot and repelling moisture for many, many years. To cap it off, we're especially excited about the price. We believe you won't find a better value for this level of quality, American-made equipment that you are getting. This value is fundamental to our mission at Premier Bee. So get shopping at premierbeeproducts.com or give our team a call. We look forward to sending you some wax dipped equipment. Thanks for watching another video from Premier Bee Products. To subscribe, click this button right here and join thousands of other beekeepers. If you want to watch another video, click that button right there. And to shop any of our products, check out the description below. See you soon.